So today I am going to explain some more types of conditional identities. So let us start with this question. If a plus b plus c equal to pi, then prove that sin square a plus sin square b plus sin square c equal to 2 plus 2 cos a cos b cos c. You will get this type of question also in the exercise, but there may be in place of plus minus, air minus or air minus. Then accordingly RHS will be different, but the style technique is same. So if a plus b plus c is equal to pi, then a plus b pi. This part you know. Sin a plus b will be sin c, and cos a plus b will be minus cos c. Now sin square a plus sin square b plus sin square c. So you make group of 2 and multiply half and 2, and third you keep aside. So 1 by 2, 2 sin square a is 1 minus cos 2a, because cos 2a is 1 minus 2 sin square a. So 2 sin square a is 1 minus cos 2a. 2 sin square b is 1 minus cos 2b plus sin square c. Now 1 plus 1 is 2. These two are negative, minus cos 2a minus cos 2b. So keep them in one group, take minus out cos 2a plus cos 2b plus sin square c. Now 1 by 2, 2 is continued, minus cos c plus cos d formula, 2 cos 2a plus 2b by 2 cos 2a minus 2b by 2 plus sin square c. 1 by 2. Now from these two take 2 common. 2 is out. So 1 is left here. This will, what will remain here? Cos 2 cancelled. Cos a plus b into cos a minus b plus sin square c. This 2 cancelled. So there is no use of this bracket. 1, and you know here cos a plus b is minus cos c. So cos c is minus cos a plus b. Minus cos a plus b can be replaced by plus cos c into cos a minus b plus sin square c. Now here you got cos c, here you have sin square c. So let us change this. 1 minus cos square c. Here hint is given. Now 1 plus 1 is 2 cos c, and cos c is common. Cos a minus b minus cos c. This 1 is here added with 1, became 2. Prashant raise hand. What happened, Prashant?
Nothing, sir. It happened mistakenly, sir. Sorry.
Oh. Now cos a minus b minus cos c. Now again minus cos c is plus cos a plus c. Minus cos c is cos a plus b. So minus cos c is plus cos a plus b. Now at this juncture, cos a minus b plus cos a plus b, it is 2 cos a cos b. So this bracket is replaced by 2 cos a cos b. Now rearrange this term in the order of ABC. 2 plus 2 will come first, cos a cos b cos c, which is RHS. Now next, again see here you have the square, but angles are a by 2, b by 2, c by 2. If cos a plus b plus c equal to pi, prove that cos square a by 2 plus cos square b by 2, this is minus cos square c by 2 equal to 2 cos a by 2 cos b by 2 into sin, this is sin c by 2. So what way you have to proceed here? A plus b plus c equal to pi, so take divide by 2. A by 2 plus b by 2 plus c by 2 will be pi by 2, or a plus b by 2 is these two taken together. A plus b by 2 is pi by 2 minus c by 2. So take sin a plus b by 2 will be sin pi by 2 minus c by 2. You know pi by 2 is 90 degrees, so it is cos c by 2. Similarly, cos a plus b by 2 will be sin c by 2. Means wherever needed, this kind of substitution can be made. Now, cos square a by 2 LHS cos square a by 2 plus cos square b by 2 plus cos square c by 2. So again you make group of 2, 1 by 2 into 2 cos square a by 2 plus 2 cos square c by 2. Sorry, here there is one print error. What is the error? This was minus. This is minus. So this was minus. This is take it as minus. From here I have corrected. Here I forgot. 1 by 2, 2 cos square a by 2 plus 2 cos square c by 2 minus cos square c by 2. From beginning it is minus. So, you know, in previous question, 2 cos square a was 1 plus cos 2a. So 2 cos square a by 2 will be the same formula with half angle. It will be 1 plus cos a, 2 cos square c by 2, 1 plus cos b, minus cos square c by 2. Now 1 plus 1 is 2. Now cos a plus cos b is 2, 2 cos a plus b by 2 cos a minus b by 2 minus cos square c by 2. Now take 2 common, 1 by 2 into 2, 1 plus cos a plus b by 2. See here, cos a plus b by 2 is sin c by 2. So this is sin c by 2 into cos a minus b by 2 minus cos square c by 2. Now 1 by 2 and 1 by 2 cancel. So only this is left, no need of bracket. 1 plus sin c by 2 cos a minus b by 2. Cos square c by 2 is 1 minus sin square c by 2. Due to minus, it will be minus 1 plus sin square c by 2. So plus 1 and minus 1 cancel. Now sin c by 2 is common. Sin c by 2 cos a minus b by 2 plus this sin c by 2. And now from here, sin c by 2 is cos a plus b by 2. So cos a plus b by 2. You know, this is cos, see, this can be understood as cos a by 2 minus b by 2. Plus cos a by 2 plus b by 2. Means it resembles the formula cos a plus b plus cos a minus b, but with half angles. So it will be 2 cos a cos b means 2 cos a by 2 cos b by 2 in this context, because every angle is divided by 2. 2 cos a by 2 into cos b by 2. So write in the order of ABC, 2 cos a by 2 cos b by 2 sin c by 2, that is RHS. Understood? Now next question. It is comparatively difficult. if a plus b plus c equal to pi, prove that cos a by 2 plus cos b by 2 plus cos c by 2 is equal to 4 cos pi minus a by 4 into pi minus b by 4 into cos pi minus c by 4. So what technique we apply? If a plus b plus c equal to pi, then you can write a plus b as pi minus c, b plus c as pi minus a, c plus a as pi minus b, wherever needed. Now let us start with LHS. Cos a by 2 plus cos b by 2 plus cos c by 2. Again you make group of 2. 2 cos a by 2 plus b by 2 whole divided by 2 into cos a by 2 minus b by 2 divided by 2 plus cos c by 2. If you will simplify this angle, 2 cos, it will be a plus b by 4. This common denominator will come down. 2 cos a plus b by 4 into cos a minus b by 4 plus cos c by 4. Now you know a plus b here, a plus b, see, a plus b is pi minus c, is it? So this a plus b can be written as pi minus c. 2 cos pi minus c by 4 cos a minus b by 4 plus cos c by 2, and here we add one extra term, cos pi by 2. You know cos pi by 2 means cos 90 degree. Cos 90 degree is 0. So with anything, if you add 0, it doesn't affect overall value. So we can add 0. In the same way, for 0 we have written cos pi by 2. Now this part is same. Here again apply cos c plus cos d formula. 2 cos c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. So this part is same. 2 cos, here pi by 2 plus c by 2, this 2 will come down, pi plus c by 4 into cos pi minus c by 4. Now if you see left side and right side, cos 2 cos pi minus c by 4 is common. So we take 2 cos pi minus c by 4 common. What is left? Cos a minus b by 4 plus cos pi plus c by 4. Now again apply cos c plus cos d formula with this angle. 2 cos, this part is continued, first part. 2 cos a c plus d by 2 plus cos c minus d by 2. This 4 will come down, it will become 8. Cos, see here, only focus here. A minus b plus pi plus c. A minus b plus pi plus c by 8 cos a minus b. This minus will make it minus pi minus c by 8. Now this part is unchanged. 2 to the 4. Cos pi right in the beginning minus b. A plus c. See, pi minus b we have written here. A plus c. See again. A plus c is pi minus b. So for a plus c we write pi minus b. Here this side a minus pi, take there is b and c, so take minus common, b plus c by 8, and again b plus c will be pi minus a. Now see, 4 cos pi minus c by 4 into cos. See, everything is double. 2 times pi, 2 times b. So take 2 common, pi minus b by 8. So 2 for the 8. Cos a minus pi, b plus c is pi minus a with negative sign. Now 4 cos pi minus c by 4 into cos pi minus b by 4 into cos a minus pi, this bracket opened, minus pi plus a. 4 cos pi minus c by 4 cos pi minus b by 4 into cos, it here also 2 times a and 2 times pi. So 2 times a minus pi by 8, 2 for the 8. You know, in case of cos minus theta is cos theta. So a minus pi by 4 can be written as pi minus a by 4. So in next line we'll do 4 cos pi minus c by 4 into cos pi minus b by 4 into cos this. It is permissible, so we write pi minus a by 4. So here int is given. So in this way we can prove to RHS. Now one more. If a plus b plus c equal to pi, prove that cos b plus c minus a plus cos c plus a minus b plus cos a plus b minus c equal to 1 plus 4 cos a cos b cos c. Again, if a plus b plus c equal to pi, then a plus b is pi minus c, b plus c is pi minus a, and c plus a is pi minus b. So we will use this in this solution. Cos b plus c minus a, this is LHS. So b plus c is pi minus a, minus this a. C plus a is pi minus b minus b. A plus b is pi minus c minus c. So cos pi minus 2a plus cos pi minus 2b plus cos pi minus 2c. You know cos 180 minus theta is minus cos theta. So minus cos 2a minus cos 2b minus cos 2c. Now from first two take minus common, cos 2a plus cos 2b. Again as before, cos c plus cos d, 2 cos with minus sign, 2 cos 2a plus 2b by 2 into cos 2a minus 2b by 2 minus cos 2c. So now minus 2, it will be after simplification cos a plus b into cos a minus b minus cos 2c. Now you know minus cos a plus b, as we are doing in previous sums, minus cos a plus b is cos c. So this minus sign will go 2 cos c cos a minus b. And now you have got cos c, so accordingly you have to hit here minus 2 cos square c minus 1 for cos 2c. Now next line, this part you continue, here you open bracket minus 2 cos square c plus 1. Now except this one, from here and here 2 cos c is common. 2 cos c cos a minus b minus cos c plus 1. Now minus cos c is again plus cos a plus b. So in this line, in place of minus cos c, there is plus cos a plus b. So 2 cos c into cos a minus b plus cos a plus b plus 1 is outside. So 2 cos c, you know cos a plus b plus cos a minus b is 2 cos a cos b plus 1. So 2 to the 4, arrange in order of ABC. 4 cos a cos b cos c plus 1. This is RSS. Now you unmute. Um, so I have explained 4 typical questions. If you have confusion, then you can raise question. You have option to watch this video later in virtual class. What do you say? Who is this? Carrie Minati. Who is this? Show your face. Who is this? Who is this Galaxy A10? And this galaxy, who is this galaxy? Galaxy, galaxy. Hey, you people, do you recognize this galaxy A10? You don't have any question? And now, you know, new books are available. So you can buy new books. Because now onwards, I will teach from that book. What I have taught till now, that is also useful. In every book, you will find this kind of system. Ujjwal,
Yes, sir.
do you have any question?
No, sir. My previous exercise is just going to be completed.
Oh, Khushbu,
Sir,
so the sums I explained today, if you have any confusion, then you can ask.
Okay, sir.
Or you can ask later. Sabi,
Yes, sir.
you know, you have to follow particular pattern while solving this type of question. So you have to make up your mind. If sine 2a cos 2a is there, then what I have to do? If sine square a cos square a is there, then what you have to do? If sine square a by 2 cos square a by 2 is there, then what you have to do? If tan a plus tan b plus tan c or cot a plus cot b plus cot c is there, then what way you have to start? So if you will know these 3-4 techniques, then pattern is same. The same set of formulas are used again and again. So if you keep trying, who is this galaxy A10? This is not tuition class, it is formal class, so you have to identify yourself. Galaxy A10, see at the top of your window there is three dots are there. Click there, there is chat. From chat you can write your name. Okay, now time is also running out. So bye for tomorrow. Due to some work today I became late, but from tomorrow I will try to be on time. Thank you very much and bye for now.